run into issues with your AirCast Pro, maybe forgetting your access password, not remembering DNS or hotspot information, or having issues connecting, there's a simple solution to reset your AirCast Pro to its factory defaults. To do this, you will need a USB flash drive. Your USB flash drive must be formatted as FAT32 in order for AirCast Pro to discover it. Luckily, nearly all flash drives are FAT32 formatted by default. Plug in your USB flash drive into your computer. Once you've located the drive on your system, you will need to rename the flash drive to ACP_reset. The name is very important and must be exact, otherwise AirCast Pro will ignore it. After renaming your USB flash drive, you will need to plug it into any of the available USB ports on your AirCast Pro. Make sure your AirCast Pro is not powered on at this time. Once you have your USB flash plugged into your AirCast Pro, power the unit. You should see the red LED light when powered, then turn green. Older AirCast Pro hardware will see a flickering green LED. After AirCast Pro finishes its startup, it should detect the USB flash drive and then reset your unit back to all factory defaults. Once complete, your AirCast Pro will automatically reboot. You should see the green LED turn back to solid red when rebooting. The entire process should not take more than a couple of minutes in total. Once your unit has rebooted, connect to the AirCast Pro Wi-Fi hotspot and remove the USB flash drive.